Question 3, Janani Nagarajan, Head of Product Marketing at Lumos. So the question about AI is very interesting because we are now touting AI everywhere. You see it as a big buzzword and everybody is using it. But it is really critical to know the difference that in identity, where it becomes harder with tons and tons of applications, tons and tons of identities, including machine identities, and those people are accessing, in addition to the machines, they're accessing the same apps, and it becomes a tangled web of permissions, entitlements, and it really becomes complex to operate at human scale. You cannot throw in more people to solve this problem, and this is where AI and analytics plays a huge role in solving for identity. At Lumos, we believe that agentic AI is a solution where we not only know based on attributes like HR or location or employee title, but we're also able to tell if the employee should have access to the right applications based on usage. And that's a huge differentiator because we are able to say things like, hey, I see sales have access to these CRM apps, which is great, but I see these 3 people not using them. Can you make sure that you put them back to the pool and maybe, give them at least a warning that they're not using it, right? And that means your least privilege access stays intact, the security risks are driven down, but your productivity is not compromised because remember, they're not still using those apps, right? So what we have introduced at Identiverse is an agent called Albus. It is a multi-agentic AI system that is capable of working alongside with you like a teammate because it helps you reason and understand context, bring in the right data with the right sources to make sure that you are building the right-sized RBAC policies that are based on least privileged access. So again, making sure that we're using the power of AI with human oversight to have the most effective zero trust principles in place.